Here we are at the Shure distribution stand. I've got Tuomo with me here, and we're going to do two videos here. One looking at their wireless mic systems, and then we're going to look at the sound devices system. But first of all, we're going to look at your wireless systems. Tell us about what you're showing here, Tuomo.
Well, there's some of the high-end systems we have here. Naturally, based on what BVE is, a lot of it into higher-end television, whether it be live broadcast stuff. A lot of it we see in studio. So whether it be sport-related or things like your X Factor, Britain's Got Talent, so typically something in a studio that gets beamed out to the world. One of the highlights here naturally is Axient wireless, right. And in light with what's been happening globally with spectrum reallocation, Axient really is a direct response to having a share spectrum, so limited spectrum in the future with other potentially unlicensed devices. So what happens in that inevitable situation where you do get interference mid-show live, because you can't go back. No. If you're in a live show and your mic drops out, well, that's it. There's no correction. So Axient's the only system on the planet can actually deal with this in, automatically in real time. So not only can it detect interference, but it can move to a clean new frequency, literally in the blink of an eye. So it will make that the catastrophe that could happen unnoticeable, and the show can carry on. So we've had great success and visibility with this, like the summer games here in London this past summer utilized quite a bit of Axient. So like I said, it's a direct sort of response to what's happening globally with spectrum. But Axient isn't only a product on its own. We're really using it as a technology platform to develop other stuff at lower price points as well. And you'll see some of the ULX-D systems as well as further innovation further downstream. So what we've managed to do is take individual technologies that have gone into Axient and utilize these into products downstream. So.
Excellent. So what you're saying is, as far as the moving frequencies, it will literally talk to the belt pack and say, we need to change frequencies, and off it goes, finds the next available one.
So this microphone, or belt pack as you mentioned, you could be mid-show with this, and you could take a direct hit of interference, whether it be from another radio mic, a roaming, TV news crew, or even a white space device, whatever it be, it will literally in the blink of an eye, both transmitter and receiver simultaneously switch to a new frequency. And this is very carefully done, naturally, because if you have interference on here, you don't want to jump to a new frequency that you don't know how it's going to be. The key is it has to be better than the previous one. So the Spectrum Manager, this device in the background, is continuously monitoring the spectrum landscape and has a list of usable backup frequencies. So it's this device that deploys the backup frequency to the system, and the transmitters in real time can get updated with a new frequency, and the show sort of carries on going. So.
Brilliant, Tommy. So if people want to obviously come and see, they can come and see you at the show over the next couple of days. If they want to find out some more about this and of course your other wireless kit, what's the best website they can go to?
We have a specific website for Axient because there's a lot to take in. So it's www.axient.net. This is the specific Axient website. There's a load of user videos, case studies, white papers and that sort of stuff on how it works. Naturally, shure.co.uk has some more, I suppose, easy to digest, simple information on it. And of course, because of the level of product it is, we have a very hands-on approach to how Axient is distributed and sold and set up. So usually involves my time going out and explaining this to people. So make sure it works.
Absolutely. Tuomo, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
If you want to find out more, obviously go to the website. The link is below me on screen now. And you will find everything else that we're doing here at Broadcast Show on our website, which is broadcastshow.com.